go, another one going down. This here, look at all this gunk up in here. We need to clean that up, don't you think? Isn't that something? Look at all this crap. Oh my God, that's gross. So what I want you to do is we're getting this all cleaned out is get all your cleaning gear and we're gonna polish this room up, maybe put a paint job on it when we're done. Stand by and watch this. You might be surprised how good this looks when we're done. Boom! And like that maneuver.
Don't you love her ways? Now tell me what you say. Don't you love her as she's walking out the door? All your love, all your love, all your love, all your love is gone.